spin the wheel to make slime challenge. But I'm gonna be doing it with my grandma, Grandma BUÜRDA. She is not here yet because she runs on her own time, so we're just gonna have to stay here. Whoa! Is that a broom? That's my car. It's your car?
Oh yeah.
How much did it cost?
Oh man, it's cost me 30 grand.
30?
Yeah, I got it at the Audi dealership.
Okay, all right.
This is the new Audi T6.
Okay, well here is my Grandma BUÜRDA, and yeah.
I didn't break anything.
Okay, this is my Grandma BUÜRDA.
Ew! It's like having some creature with diarrhea hands touch you.
Okay, anyways, here's my Grandma BUÜRDA.
Yeah, I wish I wasn't your grandma.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Why are you so mean? So today we are going to be doing the spin the wheel challenge, like I said. Do you know what it is, Grandma?
I'm gonna guess that you have to spin the square.
No, can't.
Did I get it right?
Can't spin squares.
Yes, you can.
So today's like butt challenge is gonna be, Grandma, you could say, because
Alright, what you gotta do is grab out your big wheel spinner and spin it. So you got exactly 5 clicks, and then you press the like button.
what if they don't have a spinner?
No, they trust me, they do.
Just press the like button, it's okay. And now let's get straight on into the video. Oh. Grandma, you have to say yes.
No! That's how I like my slime.
So we're gonna first just put a little bit of glue inside the bowl. And let's start spinning the wheel. I
didn't like that spin.
You need to spin it harder.
Okay. I got
Baking soda!
No, I didn't!
Yes, you did.
What you talking about?
Yes, it's baking soda.
What?
Where did you get? Don't stop.
I don't know what you're talking about.
No.
I don't know what you're
Don't stop.
What are you talking
got
about?
baking soda.
Oh God! Oh! That's what I got.
Okay, well.
I'm sorry. Could you be quiet?
It's just. It's a train.
Yeah, but I shut him up.
Can't
didn't I?
hear you.
I shut him up. All right. Just put a little bit in here. All right. All right. Go. It's your turn.
Hey. Oh wait, first we gotta put the food coloring. 1 second.
I already have mine. It's green.
Okay, so we almost forgot. We're gonna put the food coloring. I'm gonna put orange.
I'm putting red in mine.
Wait, no, I'm gonna put pink. Okay, I'm gonna spin the wheel, guys. 1, 2, 3.
Sweet.
Spin again!
Loser.
Okay, by the way, guys, if you don't know, vinegar actually melts slime like crazy. So
It's good to take it out of your armpit hair.
okay. Okay, I'm not gonna put too much because then it's just gonna like not be able to activate. Okay, you could just keep that for later, Grandma, so you don't have to squish it in.
Okay. You got vinegar.
I get clay.
No, you got vinegar.
Clay.
Yeah, whatever.
Can I just have half of your clay?
No. Come on, in the morning. I need to go to sleep early to go and get to bingo tomorrow. What?
Oh, what's that? I have no idea, Paul. What the heck is that? It's just a bunch of
The X, the Ameerah can choose a bad ingredient for you.
I got shaving cream.
No, you got the X's.
I got shaving cream. Ameerah.
You get the X's.
I got shaving cream.
No. Can find shaving cream. Yes, you got shaving
That's
cream.
what I said.
I don't know what's wrong with my eyes, but I saw X's. Go ahead.
Yeah, I
and
know.
get
You
that
gotta go
shaving cream.
to the doctor for that.
I know. I'm just
Your
so.
mother had the same issue.
Wait, what? All right, Grandma. Okay.
Beautiful. Oh!
Lotion! No, Grandma, stop. No, look.
You got
I got lotion.
Okay,
your turn.
All right, I got more clay.
Yeah, what is that? That's like you can pick whatever you want, right? Okay.
You know, I hear borax works great.
You have to activate slime.
Just straight up concentrated borax.
No, I'm good, thank you.
Works great. Works miracles, I hear.
Okay, so I chose shaving cream. I'm just gonna put a little bit.
A little bit.
You got a really nice towel right there, Grandma.
Thank you.
Thanks, Grandma.
Activate.
Okay.
Where's my fork? Okay, I'll get my own
It's
fork.
right here, Grandma.
Okay.
Grandma, it's right. Grandma!
Yeah, it was like that when I got here.
No, Grandma, you just broke it.
It was like that when I
It's
got here.
on camera. Your fork is right there.
I don't know what you're talking about. It was like that when I got there.
Okay, we're just gonna activate this slime now, guys. Mine's taking a lot of activator.
Okay, I think I'm done with my slime.
I need some more activator.
You can have some of mine.
No, I'm good, thank you. Oh my god.
Oh my god! You got it all over my shoes! What is wrong with you?
No! No!
Well, you guys can go look at my slime. Very nice. Oh, yeah. Thank you. I'm all done.
Okay, I'm just gonna put my clay in there now.
Oh man, I forgot to put my clay.
It's okay, Grandma. We all forget sometimes, especially when we're getting old.
Quiet.
Okay, here's my slime, guys, without the clay. It's actually pretty nice. It's like really soft and stuff. The clay is really nice, guys. I love clay, guys, by the way.
Look at my slime, guys. Whoa, that's so beautiful.
Okay, guys, here's my slime. It is actually really, really, really nice. It has like such a cool texture, like
It's cleaning the windows.
Anyways, you guys should definitely try out this recipe, except without the vinegar. Just put like some water and then put some lotion and put some shaving cream and then put some clay and you gotta go. Okay, well, I guess that is it for round one. Now we're gonna go ahead and get on to round
I
two.
want to play with yours. This is trash.
Okay, time for round two. So first we gotta get our glue.
What do you think you're doing first?
Okay, I'm gonna make mine yellow. Okay.
Oh yeah? I'm making mine red.
You like red a lot, don't you?
No. I hate it. I absolutely despise it. Thank you.
You couldn't break it.
What did you say?
No, Grandma, don't.
Here's what I said.
I don't have a bowl anymore, so I'm just gonna do it on the
Yeah, maybe you should open your big mouth next time. What's that?
It's
What's that?
it's my slime.
Yeah, that's like what I poop out every morning.
Okay, well you can press do the slime wheel now. I go first. Freeze spin! Boom beads!
Stupid.
Okay, I'm just gonna take these ones right here.
You don't need any more?
No, I'm good, Chinky.
Oh gosh, I dropped the box. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, my turn.
Here's my slime, guys. Looks pretty good so far.
What's that say? Nips. Ooh-ids. No, God.
It says spin again.
Oh, okay.
Good for you.
Thank you. It's your turn.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Oh, brown paper!
Loser. You're not allowed to move it. Cheater.
So here's some brown paint, guys.
Anywhere except you.
Alright, Clay! My turn. Spin again! more brown paint.
What the heck? That's so weird, but I got lotion! You got lotion over here?
Right here. You go.
Is that really lotion?
Yeah.
Ew, for extra dry skin, yeah, you need that.
Okay, well, I guess that's it. I basically just have brown paint and foam beads. Okay, let's activate it now.
Alright.
Mine has way too many foam beads. Okay, guys, here's my slime. Look at that. Yes. Whoa. So beautiful, right? Am I right? Look at that.
You're right.
You guys wish you had this slime, don't you?
Nobody wishes they had that. Anybody can have that every morning.
Oh. Guys, yours is looking good.
Okay, now we gotta put the blue one. Go!
Hey, girl, you think I could do some miracle work on mine?
There's nothing you can do to make that better. Oh, yeah.
Ooh, that looks nice, Grandma. I'll give you $50. 50.
Oh my God, this is so beautiful. All right, that's mine. Look at that, guys. Wow.
Wow, Grandma, those are good.
Wow.
Good,
wait.
Grandma.
Oh, wait. Woo, it's going crazy like the guy from Spider-Man. Ah! Ah!
Okay, well, that's that. Okay, you guys could. I'll do some ASMR for you guys because Grandma BUÜRDA's. Okay, so here's the slime, guys. It's actually pretty good. You know, better than mine. And yeah, that's it. Okay, well that is it, guys. If you guys want me to do a part 2 with Grandma BUÜRDA or with my mom, you guys comment down below, and also make sure you press that like button and press that subscribe button, and also make sure you comment down below a little kiss for me. Yeah, a little heart. I want a heart for me. Okay, guys, that is it. I love you so much, and I really hope I see you guys next time. Woo!